Once upon a time, there were two best friends named Tom and Jerry. They lived in a small village at the foot of a mountain. Tom was a brave and adventurous young boy, while Jerry was a bit more timid and preferred to stay at home. One day, Tom suggested that they go on an adventure to the top of the mountain. Jerry was hesitant at first, but Tom convinced him that it would be an exciting experience. The next morning, they set off on their journey. They packed some food and water and set off early in the morning. The climb was difficult, and they had to stop many times to rest. But Tom encouraged Jerry, telling him that they were almost there. As they reached the top, they were greeted with a breathtaking view of the village below. They could see the entire village, and it was a sight to behold. They sat down and enjoyed the view, feeling proud of themselves for making it to the top. As they were about to start their descent, they heard a loud noise. It was coming from the other side of the mountain. Curious, they decided to investigate. As they walked around the mountain, they stumbled upon a beautiful waterfall. The water was crystal clear, and they could see fish swimming in the stream. They decided to have a picnic by the waterfall and enjoy the beautiful scenery. After their picnic, they started to head back home. They were tired but happy, and they couldn't wait to tell their families and friends about their adventure. They returned home and told their families about the waterfall, and soon many people from the village started to visit the waterfall. From that day on, Tom and Jerry were known as the brave explorers who discovered the beautiful waterfall. They continued to go on many more adventures together, but none could ever match the adventure they had on that beautiful mountain.